Hello students, welcome to Abhyaas Law Prep. We have a good news today. NLU Jodhpur has released a vacancy notification just few moments ago. Let's take a look at that notification. Visit our Abhyaas Law Prep website where we regularly update all the vacancy notifications of all the NLUs that have participated in CLAT Consortium 2025. At fifth number is NLU Jodhpur. Click here for the notification. So, a total number of seats that have been released under this vacancy notification are 3 seats, one for All India General Category, and one for Rajasthan Domicile Scheduled Caste, and one for All India OBC Physically Disabled Category. Okay, so make sure that whoever has applied for CLAT 2025 and have rank in the specific category alone will be eligible for admission in that particular NLU. So ensure that your rank is below the particular threshold, that is with respect to the category rank. Okay, and for that category rank, just look at the threshold that varies every year, but make sure that you check with the last year, previous years rank thresholds, the provisional merit list, where you can find what is the threshold. So then you will have an idea with respect to whether you should apply it or not. Okay, so non-refundable fee of 1,000 rupees has to be paid for the same, and you have to do it before 10th July 2025 by 5 p.m. You should be done with this online application for vacancy notification. Okay, so you have to just click here for the link. You'll find the application link also here on our LawPrep website. Directly you can click on the same and you'll be redirected to this page. So whichever category you want to apply under, say for All India General Category, you click on apply now, and you'll have to fill in your roll number, CLAT roll number, your All India rank, your name, father's name, email, phone number, fee receipt number. Okay, here there is a link that is attached. So if you click here, that you fill in all the details regarding your payment category, where you will choose university fee, and then you'll choose the category to be other fee if any. Okay, and fill in all your details and enter your remark, and also fill in this fee amount, and then you have to upload the same photo over here, and you'll also have to upload your CLAT scorecard. You'll also have to upload your passport size photo and your signature. Okay, and then click on submit. Your vacancy application would be submitted. Okay, all the best. Stay tuned for more such vacancy notifications. Thank you.